Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to show you how you can easily create an album on Google Photos app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first open up Google Photos. Then right here tap at library, and now you are able to create new album by hitting at that plus sign. On that step you should name your album, let it be just test. And after that, in order to add photos here, you should tap right here at select photos, and it shows you all your photos from your photos gallery in chronological order. So you can just scroll down through all of your photos, and then in that simple way you can just by checkmarking pictures add them to new album. Once you finished with that, you can just hit on add, and the album has just been created. In any time you can hit right here where it says add photos, and then you can by checkmarking photos add new photos to that album, or you can also uncheck mark. Oh, sorry, you can't actually right from here uncheck mark, so remove images from that photo. Let me hit on add. If you want to remove some picture from the album, you should hit right here at that picture, then hit a three dots icon, and right here you can easily find remove from album feature. You can just tap on that to remove a picture from the album. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Photos tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you like that video, and see you in the next one.